Crash Course on Cuban Rum in Cuba. Welcome to a crash course on Cuban rum, a beloved spirit that embodies the essence of Cuba's rich history and vibrant culture. As you delve into the world of Cuban rum, you'll uncover the craftsmanship, traditions, and tantalizing flavors that make it renowned worldwide. Rum has deep roots in Cuban history, dating back to the 16th century when sugarcane plantations flourished on the island. Cuban rum is crafted using the finest sugarcane and the traditional process of distillation and aging in oak barrels. The result is a smooth and flavorful spirit that captures the essence of the Caribbean. Visiting Cuba's rum distilleries provides a fascinating glimpse into the art of rum production. From Havana Club to Santiago de Cuba, these distilleries offer guided tours where you can witness the meticulous process of fermenting, distilling, and aging rum. You'll learn about the different types of rum, from light and refreshing white rum to dark and robust aged rum. The history of Cuban rum is intertwined with the country's cultural heritage. It has played a significant role in Cuban traditions and celebrations, being an integral part of festivals, gatherings, and social events. Mojito, Cuba Libre, and daiquiri are just a few of the iconic rum cocktails that have become synonymous with the Cuban experience. The taste of Cuban rum is an adventure in itself. Whether sipped neat, enjoyed in a classic cocktail, or savored in a handcrafted creation, Cuban rum delights the palate with its complexity, sweetness, and hints of tropical flavors. Each sip transports you to the sun-drenched shores and lively streets of Cuba. In summary, Cuban rum is more than just a drink, it's a symbol of Cuba's vibrant culture and craftsmanship. It represents the spirit of celebration, the warmth of the Cuban people, and the island's rich history. So raise your glass, toast to the legacy of Cuban rum, and savor the essence of this beloved spirit. And now, let's celebrate the allure of Cuban rum with a poem. In the heart of Cuba, where sugarcane grows, lies a spirit that dances, with flavors that impose. Cuban rum, a golden elixir of delight. Crafted with passion, each sip ignites. From Havana to Santiago, distilleries abound. Unveiling the secrets, with knowledge profound. Fermented and aged, in oak barrels divine. Time weaves its magic, flavors intertwine. A history rich, in each amber drop. Cuban rum's legacy, it never stops. From Hemingway's haunts to Havana nights. It accompanies tales, as the moon takes flight. Mojito's refreshing, with mint and lime. Cuba Libre's zest, it stands the test of time. Daiquiri sweetness, a tropical breeze. Rum cocktails crafted with Cuban expertise. Savor the flavors, on tropical shores. A symphony of taste, each sip explores. The spirit of Cuba, in every glass. A moment of bliss, as memories amass. So raise your glass, toast to the rum. A symbol of Cuba, where spirits hum. In its warmth and sweetness, we find delight. Cuban rum, a treasure, forever in flight. Start planning your next global adventure with ease and convenience with our Booking.com referral link, https://www.booking.com/index.html 8 = 7989335. It is a great choice to plan your next trip. You can find and book flights, hotels, cars, and local attractions all in one place, and their price match guarantee ensures you're getting the best deal. Thank you for your kind support of our NHub Metaverse channel, and please subscribe and watch more interesting videos here.